Here is a simple way to write an informational paragraph. The fuel strategy. This method helps you write clearly and support your ideas with strong evidence. F is for focus. You start by stating your main idea. This is your topic sentence. It should be one sentence that tells the reader exactly what your paragraph is about. For example, bees are important to our environment because they help plants grow. U is for understand. Now you explain your topic to help the reader understand it. You can add a few sentences that give more background information or context about your main idea. For example, as bees fly from flower to flower, they pick up pollen on their bodies. E is for evidence. This is where you add proof to support your main idea. This proof can be a fact, a quote, or a statistic. It makes your writing believable. For example, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, honeybees pollinate 80% of our flowering crops. L is for link. Finally, you link all your ideas together and wrap up your paragraph. This is your concluding sentence. It should connect back to your main idea and summarize the paragraph. For example, without bees, many of the fruits and vegetables we eat every day would not exist. You now know how to use the fuel strategy to write a stronger informational paragraph.